Hello guys, today I show you how you make your cordless drill to corded drill. So for this project I have a Black & Decker Quattro multi-tools drill. This is the battery which was dead. You need your multimeter and yep, the main thing, and Xbox power supply. Okay, to do this project, I did a little bit of research on this drill, and this is a 12 volts, around 10 amp, and around 100 watt drill the motor is. And I did a little bit of research, and I found that this Xbox power supply provides nearly the same thing that I want. So I started working on that. Okay, the first step is to remove everything that is inside the battery. So the battery, if you open it up, I have another thingy, I put it on the side. There are 10 little batteries in it, and you need to remove them all. Not all of them are dead. Normally some of them are dead and some of them are still alive, so you can make some use case for them. Okay, to remove them, there are 3 screws that I already opened, and the battery is there. You need a cutter to cut everything off and remove them. Okay, the next step is to have your Xbox power supply. So Xbox power supplies come with this socket, and you need to remove it. To remove it is easy. I put a screwdriver underneath these and press it, and you open it, and I remove that. So let me focus it. Okay, sorry for the focus, how it works. Okay, now it works. So there are some sets of wires in it. Some are black, some are yellow. There is one blue and one red. To make this power supply works, you should connect the blue and the red wire together. And it doesn't really matter because all of the blacks are ground and all the yellows are live. So I just chose one yellow and one black, and you connect it to your okay, so whatever you remove from these, which is this part, you just need to connect one wire to the yellow of these and one to the black of these, and that's all. And you run your cordless drill now corded, and it's very easy. There are some good things and bad things about this power supply. The good thing is that it comes with an internal fan, which is very useful. It prevents overheating the power supply. The bad thing is that it has more amp than this drill requires. So you can make a little bit of circuit to reduce the amp by probably adding a resistant to the whole circuit. And that's all actually. It's very easy, and well, if you have friends with broken Xbox or things like that, it's gonna be a free project for you. And yeah, hope that you enjoy this little video, and thank you very much.